Title: The Lifestyle of Lord Curzon. Opening scene: soft classical music playing in the background, an old British-style mansion is shown. Narrator: George Nathaniel Curzon, the first Marquis Curzon of Kettleston, was a man of grandeur, power, and discipline. Born in 1859 into British aristocracy, he lived a life marked by luxury, diplomacy, and a strong sense of imperial duty. Scene shifts to a grand Victorian-era study with books, maps, and a globe. Curzon was educated at Eton and Oxford, where he excelled in academics and oratory. His sharp intellect and ambition paved his way into politics, and soon, he became the Viceroy of India in 1899. Visuals of colonial-era India, grand palaces, and British officials in uniforms. As Viceroy, he lived in opulence at the Grand Viceregal Lodge in Simla and the Government House in Calcutta. His lifestyle was a blend of regal extravagance and meticulous administration. Cut to a grand dining hall with lavish meals served. Curzon was known for his fine tastes. His grand banquets were the talk of the elite. He dined in the best silverware and ensured every detail reflected British prestige. Scene shifts to a countryside estate in England. Despite his political life, Curzon deeply cherished his ancestral home, Kettleston Hall, where he spent his leisure time admiring art, architecture, and literature. Closing scene: a portrait of Lord Curzon fades into the British flag. Narrator: Lord Curzon's lifestyle reflected his unwavering belief in British supremacy. His name remains a symbol of colonial power, luxury, and ambition. End screen. History remembers its rulers, but what do we learn from them?